Okay, traders, we got about 2 minutes till the market opens on up, guys. What I'm watching really is APDN. I do have shorts here. There's a few others I'm watching, but let's go ahead and go over this real quick. Why am I watching APDN? This one's got a nice gap to fill up here around 105. 105 is going to be very strong resistance. Not only that, traders, we've got the 200-day at 101. So really looking to build a position on this to fade this out. Hopefully we start getting a pop up towards $1. AMRS came out with the news this morning, delivered on their first CBD milestone. They earned $10 million. That one's easy to borrow. It's easy at most brokers to borrow. That one's already starting to get a little bit of a fade on it as well. I'm going to be keeping my eye on CPRX. Would love for this one to pop out of the start of the day today. We'll see it crack that trend line that we had marked yesterday. It faded very nice yesterday. Called that, guys. Let me know if any of you banked on that. Interested in taking a short position if we get a pop back up to that trend line, which served as support but will now be resistance. So 525 would be ideal for an entry there. That, along with APDN, are my favorite stocks to be watching this morning. I have shorts for both of those, so I'm going to be watching both of these right here at the start of the day. We got 15 seconds till the market opens on up, guys. Today's IPO is LYFT Lift, so DCAR. Getting a little bit of a pop here out of nowhere, out of sympathy for that IPO coming. 5 seconds left, traders, so here we go. It is go time. So CPRX, I'm watching that on the watch list, seeing the price on that stock. APDN, going to see if this can hold the VWAP here. I'm going to go ahead and start a small position on APDN. Want to build into that, climb back up to around the dollar mark. CPRX, this is opening up pretty light here. Give us a pop, CPRX. CPRX, there we go. That's what we were looking for, baby. Going to start my short position there on CPRX, getting a little pop. Started that at 519. Let's get a little bit more. All right, APDN's getting a little pop as well. Going to keep that one on watch. Want to build a position into it. Really hoping we get up to that dollar area. That's ideal. Be adding into that up to $1. CPRX, big upper shadow there. Already starting to turn around a little bit. APDN, this one's getting toasty here. Good. This is what we want, traders. I'm going to go ahead and start building a position on this up to $1.05. CPRX going to be managing this one as well. Don't really have the position I wanted on it. Okay, traders, I went ahead and added a little bit to CPRX. Going to be risking that one over 525. But we already had that spike I wanted. So I think we're going to start fading on off here shortly. APDN. This one's still going to climb on it. Interested in fading this one off of $1.05. CPRX, this one's starting to work. Already down to about 503. I got 600 shares here. I'm going to adjust my risk. I don't want it over 514, so that's going to be a break-even trade on this one. And that's essentially off of that VWAP area, 512. I don't want it off of that. I'm going to go ahead and pay myself, though. So CPRX, I just took 300 off at 503. APDN, this one's starting to work very nice as well. Didn't quite get up to $1 like I wanted. I'm not sure it's going to get back up there either. So we're actually failing pretty hard right now. CPRX, already paid myself here. The rest of the shares I'm going to let fade. My stop on CPRX for the rest of the shares would be if it got back to the entry at 514. So I'm either green on it or very green on it. APDN, going to pay myself on this as well, around 75 cents. Traders, I told you I like chill Fridays. I like it easy. I don't know why everyone focuses on all the crazy low float plays. I like the easy stuff. CPRX is money. APDN is going to be money here shortly as well. APDN just locked half. Going to let the rest just fade out throughout the day. So traders, I got fades on CPRX, APDN with the remainder of the shares. Going to let those do its thing throughout the day. Going to set some hard stops on them. So I'm either green or very green. Guys, why is everyone not trading the easy stuff? Everyone's focused on getting rich with these crazy low floaters. I just like consistent money. That's what I like. So, guys, if you weren't in the live stream this morning, I made an announcement. Going to stop doing those every single day. Going to start doing them maybe just once a week because I got some guys that are paying, to be in the ISW chat. That is invite only. And we're helping these guys get very consistent and profitable. So, going to focus my attention more on that in the morning versus doing the free live stream. If you're interested in it, guys, you can hit me up via email. That'll be in the description below. It's invite only, though. There's really only a few of us in there. We want to focus on helping, who we think are really going to be great, consistent traders, guys. So that's going to wrap up today. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Go ahead and smack that like button, traders. Hit that subscribe button, guys. We will see you all first thing Monday morning.